Are you struggling with sending emails in Laravel using SwiftMailer? You're not alone. Many developers face issues when trying to connect to SMTP servers, especially with Microsoft Exchange. Today, we will explore alternatives to SwiftMailer that can help you troubleshoot this problem. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your email setup doesn't work as expected. You might have tried everything, but still, no emails are being sent. This is a common issue, especially in internal networks without access to external services. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user reached out, mentioning they are having trouble using SwiftMailer with their client's Microsoft Exchange server. They are considering switching to an alternative library for SwiftMailer in Laravel. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So what could be causing these issues? The error logs indicate that there might be a problem with the SMTP commands being sent. Understanding the limitations of your SMTP server is crucial, especially when dealing with internal networks. Stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to switch to an alternative library and troubleshoot your email sending issues effectively. To begin troubleshooting the issue with SwiftMailer, the user can consider using an alternative library called PHPMailer. This library is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Next, the user should configure PHPMailer to use the same SMTP settings that were previously used with SwiftMailer. This includes setting the host, port, username, and password. After configuring PHPMailer, the user should create a simple email message. This involves setting the sender, recipient, subject, and body of the email. Finally, the user can send the email and check for any errors. If the email is sent successfully, this indicates that PHPMailer is working correctly with the SMTP server. Fun fact, did you know that PHPMailer is one of the most popular libraries for sending emails in PHP? It's widely used because of its flexibility and ease of use. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the SMTP server you're connecting to does not support the start_ls command. To resolve this, you should disable encryption by setting the mail encryption variable to null in your env file. Additionally, the SMTP server does not accept any authentication methods. To prevent authentication attempts, set the mail username variable to null in your env file. In summary, your .env file should include these lines to disable both TLS encryption and authentication. Here's a quick tip. Always check your SMTP settings and ensure that your server allows connections from your application. Sometimes the issue lies in the server configuration rather than the code. And there you have it. By switching to an alternative library like PHPMailer, you can troubleshoot your email sending issues effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Laravel development.